Hi, my name is Kaylee Larkin, and you are watching Analytics in Minutes. I'm going to show you how to customize a traffic acquisition report in GA4, which is how a lot of our clients are used to being presented information. Another option would be using Data Studio and creating a template for them that will be the same every month. They have access to it 24/7. Just click under the video playlist for Data Studio tips. This one's going to be about editing traffic acquisition reports in GA4 to include the metrics that are important to your clients or match what we're used to seeing in Universal Analytics. So the first thing you're going to do is open your GA4 account. Over here in the left-hand navigation, click the reports icon. Underneath Life Cycle, click the drop-down for acquisition, and you'll see here's my UA traffic acquisition report. So I'm going to show you guys how to create this. Click traffic acquisition. So traffic acquisition is going to include the metric users. That's new and returning users to your website. User acquisition report is going to be just your new users. Traffic acquisition is most similar to Universal Analytics. Now in your GA4 account, in the top right corner is where you can adjust your time. We also see these icons here. The first one is editing comparisons. So let's say you wanted to see traffic between United States and United Kingdom or United States and Canada. You could use comparisons to do that. So you could share this report. They do have to have view permissions within that GA4 account. Downloading the file usually just downloads what's within the screen frame. Still needs some improvement there. And Sites is a cool little icon. You can search for basic questions people would ask, or if there's a specific question you want to know, you can type that into the search bar on top. The last icon is where this video is going to focus on, and that's customizing a report. So we can customize what charts are displayed here at the top. Last I checked, we could not really customize what the chart did though, just the type of chart. So let's just remove those for now. Now we can add a filter if we want to filter down to a specific, user demographic. We can do that here. But let's talk about dimensions and metrics. So the default in traffic acquisition is channel grouping. But you can switch that to session source medium, which is most similar to Universal Analytics. Apply. And metrics. So metrics, we can add metrics down here. So bounce rate does still exist in GA4. They added it in there. And if you prefer bounce rate over engagement rate, you can swap these out. So you can add metrics down here. You can remove metrics by clicking the X, and they drag and drop. So you can put them in the order that you want them to be in. And just pull up your Universal Analytics account and your GA4 account, or go through, your most recent meetings with your clients so you know which metrics matter the most to them, and you can display those up front. Once you have this table set up the way you want, click Apply and Save. Now we do not want to save these changes to the current report. That's going to override our default traffic acquisition report, and we definitely don't want to do that. You want to save it as a new report, and you can give the report anything you want. I'm just going to say Analytics in Minutes, traffic acquisition, and you can give a report description here and click Save. Now we've saved our report, but it's not readily available in our navigation yet. So let's go back. Now in this navigation, left navigation, click Reports. All the way down the second column at the very bottom, you'll see a folder icon. It says Library. Click Library. Now here's where all of our reports are stored or filed. It's our life cycle report that we're wanting to add something to, so we're going to click Edit Collection. And then we can search for the report we just created. And again, those dots mean it's drag and drop. We drag and drop it over into our life cycle collection and click Save. Now, when we're creating the new report, we don't want to override our defaults. When we're wanting to add a report to our navigation, we do want to override what's currently in that navigation. So we're going to say Save Changes to the current collection. Now, after it's saved, when we go back to our reports, underneath Lifecycle and click that drop down for acquisition, we will find our report that we created, we customized, and we saved in our navigation. So that's how you can customize reports within GA4. Thank you for watching Analytics in Minutes. Let me know what else you guys want to learn.